of this session, we will be doing some of the hands-on activity. We have two boards out there. If you don't know how to do the body conditioning score or pharmacy score, we will be doing the hands-on and demonstrating you about that. So then, when they are very, very poor, that may be the health problem, that may be the nutritional problem, some of the problems. So if we look at all this is the body conditioning score weight range from 1 to 5, and there is another system which range from 1 to 10 also, but usually we use 1 to 5. So 1 means very, very lean and thin animal. And then it increases as the condition increase. Over here you see the body condition 2. And then this is the desirable condition. We recommend the sheep and goats should be in the body condition score 3. For goats, it is for the goats that breeds we have over here. Sometimes they have a hard time putting the 3 body condition, but the minimum we would recommend 2.5 body condition score. And this is the kind of, we don't want them to putting lots of fat on their working body unless they are for shows or something. For meat animals, maybe if we can maintain their body condition at 3, that is the ideal condition for grazing animals. Then keeping animal healthy also comes with the selection and breeding. So we need to keep record and select the best performing animals and with the little health problem and breed that year after year. So you need to select and breed. And when you go and buy the animal, you need to go to the reliable source which have a good health record and maintaining the health record, and buy from those. Do not buy any of the suspected animal of any of the health condition. Once it is brought to your farm, you need to quarantine for 1 month. Investigate whether everything is okay with that animal. After you are sure they are healthy, then you can bring it to the herd or flock. Okay, let's see a couple of major health problems that in the southeast Alabama as well as other states of the southeast. Barber pole worm or Haemonchus contortus, that is the blood-sucking parasite affecting goats more than sheep. They will be in the stomach and just sucking blood. And the female are very prolific. It will be producing maybe 5,000 eggs per day and coming out in the pasture and contaminating the pasture. Over here, this is that worm in the stomach of animals. This is the shingle worm over here. This is the female. This white part is showing the reproductive system. The red part is the digestive system. Because it has white and red, that's why it is called barber pole worm. And when you collect the fishes from the suspected animal, you will see the death of that worm in the fishes. Then when you go and look at your animals, we see this is the high-point check. We check all the body condition, whether they are, how much body condition it has. The hair port, the DAG score over here, the bottle jaw, the tomato. So they hear everything. The high point, if they are all high aspect, therefore you need to treat immediately. That's the high point check for making the deworming decision. But sometimes it may be some other causes also, so you'll have to check the fecal samples and make sure that is the condition because of the gastrointestinal parasite. If it is from maybe the Eunice disease or other or scrapie or something, then that is a different story. So FOMACA integrated management of this basically targeted for managing the Haemonchus contortus. So this is a card. We'll do the hands-on over there. You will see there are 5 color categories. This is ranging from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is a very anemic condition. Over here you see the whitish conjunctiva. And if the animal have 1 and 2, it will have that is not needing treatment for that this any condition. If it is 3, that depends on when to treat or not. And then this is the condition 4 and 5, they need to be treated. They need to be analyze the fecal sample just to make sure that in the case of gastrointestinal parasite, then if you find the eggs, yes, you need to go ahead and treat. So some of the natural non-chemical option would be the tannin-containing feed and forages. So one of the forage that we encourage farmers to have who are having these ruminant, then CFSRPES, that is the leguminous forage grows during the warm season period, and then it has that contains tannin, and that will help minimize the gastrointestinal parasite. So that is one of the options. Another is any leguminous forages. This is also showing the CFSRPES. This is the mimosa over here. That has also some tannin, and it is having high in crude protein. When we increase the nutritional status, they will have a better immunity and they will be more resilient to the diseases and parasites. That's why if you have that kind of plant in your grazing system, it will be helpful to keep the animal healthy and fight against the gastrointestinal parasite. Hook problem is another major problem we have found in the farmer's farm. And we'll need to inspect the hoof and trim the overgrown hoof regularly. Over here you see the, over here you see the overgrown hoof being trimmed. This is the hoof problem over here. And over here is the gravel watering system over here. So the any rough and dry condition around the animal facility will be helpful to keep their hoof in a good condition, because it will help wear off the overgrown hoof, as well as it will minimize the microbes to develop because of the dry condition. In fact, their hoof over here. If it is very moist and then no hard flooring around, and if we are not taking care of the animals, they may be infected and it will be problematic, and they may be limping, and you will see all the in the summertime, if it is raining for a week or 2, you may be seeing the limping animals. That may be because of the hoof problem. Another thing is